Be honest, when was the last time your home decor made you smile? We have all seen that standard plastic plants and some mass produced ceramic bowls filling up everyone's feet and look fine. Sure, but don't they feel like home? Do they have a soul? If you are tired of cookies, clutter, styling, and want to inject some serious joy, color, and texture into your space, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving into the ultimate guilt free, zero calorie, eye candy, handmade crochet fruit decor. Get ready for some major design inspiration that will completely transform your kitchen, nursery, or workspace. Let's get stitching, or rather, let's get styling. First, stop the heart of the home, the kitchen. We love fresh fruits, but let's face, banana turn browns, berries go bad, and fruit flies are not the vibe. Enter the everlasting fruit bowl. Look at how these textured crochet apples and vibrant orange instantly soften the hard line of a modern kitchen counter. Because they are made of high quality yarn, they add a rich tactile element that glass or plastic just can't match. Try arranging a cluster of crochet lemons and limes in a rustic wooden bowl on a tiered tray. It gives you that bright Mediterranean farmhouse aesthetic all year round. No grocery trips required. Next up, let's talk about the little one. If you are designing a nursery or a poly room, you want decor that is beautiful but above all safe. Standard decor can be heavy, sharp, and fragile. But look at the adorable strawberry garland. It's soft, whimsical, and adds the perfect pop of category charm to a nursery wall or bookshelf. And the best part, these aren't just for looking at because they are handcrafted with premium baby-safe cotton yarn. They double as tactile educational toy for imaginative play. No plastic, no battery noise, just pure imaginative, eco-friendly fun. Now let's head to the workspace. If you spend hours at desk, your environment heavily impacts your productivity and mood. Why not add a little desk companion? Look at the quirky miniature fruit slices, where it's a kiwi coaster for your morning iced coffee or a tiny smiling crochet desk peach. These little bursts of color break up the monotony of screen and paperwork. They are ultimate conversation starter for your next Zoom meeting, and they make the perfect unique gift that co-workers who already have everything. What makes these crochet fruits so incredibly special isn't just how they look, it's how they are made. Every single stitch you are seeing in the photos represents time, care, and artisan skill. Unlike factory-made items, no two pieces are exactly identical. You are getting a literal piece of texture art.